Yo, what's up? It is Instagram here, and I am welcoming you to my channel Simpson's Lab. I am here to show you my time-lapse record of Pyrocystis fusiformis, which was recording for more than 13 hours. And my plan was to record Pyrocystis fusiformis, how it's changing its arrangement of chloroplasts through its whole cell. During the day, Pyrocystis fusiformis has arranged chloroplasts through its whole cell, so it can easily do photosynthesis. And during the night, it has chloroplasts contracted to the nucleus, so as I believe, it can have space for its luciferin and luciferase, which are its enzymes and protein for making the bioluminescence. So thanks to it, it can, through the chemical reaction, produce light. It releases its energy as light. So in the afternoon, it contracts its cytoskeleton and brings the chloroplasts near the nucleus, so the bioluminescence can happen. And during the morning, it expands its cytoskeleton so it can do the photosynthesis better. But why it does need the bioluminescence? Let me introduce you to the deal vertical migration. What it is? It is vertical migration of organisms during the day-night cycle. At the day, they are at the surface of the sea, and during the night, they are lower, in the dark. It is happening because a lot of organisms have advantage in this, because they can more easily access food and avoid predators. One of the most common predators of the Pyrocystis fusiformis and other smaller plankton are copepods. Copepods are small crustaceans, and when they eat the Pyrocystis fusiformis, they start to glow, and even the copepods can be more easily seen by bigger predators which eat the copepods. So the copepods will learn a lesson from this and will lesser eat the Pyrocystis fusiformis, so they can avoid to be prey of bigger predator. Maybe some of you noticed that some of the Pyrocystis fusiformis died during this video. I'm not sure why they died, but one of my theories are it is because the osmosis. Well, this water is salty, and as it was vaporizing, it became saltier. And maybe there was more substances in the surroundings of the cell than in the cell, so the water came through the membrane and it left the cytoplasm. If some other reasons came to your mind why they died, please explain to me in the comments, and if you know how to avoid this problem, please advise me. And that's everything for this video, and see ya!